Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to Maths Bridge course. So, in the yesterday's class, we have started with differentiation. Now, we will be continuing with the remaining concepts of differentiation, where we will be studying various very important concepts that will be highly beneficial for your 11th and 12th classes and mainly for your competitive exams, that is JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, and also for your state entrance exams like KSET, EAP set, all these things, all the state entrance exams, it will be useful. Okay, irrespective of whichever state you are, these bridge courses will be definitely be beneficial to you. So, let us start with the today's session. So, in the yesterday's session, what are the things that we discussed? So, if you look at it, in the yesterday's session, we discussed about what is differentiation, what is the basic meaning of differentiation. I told it is rate of change, instantaneous velocity or instantaneous speed, if we can find out using differentiation. I also told you what is that. I also told you that geometrically it means slope of tangent at any point, slope of tangent to the curve at a given point, okay, or at any point. And also we studied some very important formulas, and based on this formulas also I told you various other questions that we can solve using the formulae, and also we generalized certain formulas also. And also we studied methods of differentiation, where we studied the first thing is addition rule, subtraction rule, we know anyways, and we studied product rule. Product rule, before that we studied what? The chain rule. Chain rule I told you, then we studied product rule, that is also called as UV rule, and also we studied quotient rule, where we talk about that. What is that? We call it as what? U by V rule. U by V rule, and also based on that we solved various questions. We solved some example questions based on those rules. First is what? Chain rule we studied, then we studied the product rule, which is also called as UV rule, where the function is given as product, where the functions are given as product. When the function is given as numerator and denominator, when the functions are given as numerator and denominator, we apply what? We apply the quotient rule, which is also called as U by V rule. Now, proceeding further, today we will be studying various other methods of differentiation. Now, the first thing that we are studying is very important, that is implicit differentiation. What is that? Implicit differentiation we will be studying now. Okay. Now, if you talk about implicit differentiation, see here friends, if we talk about implicit differentiation, all of you observe carefully. What does this word implicit means? So, till now whatever we studied, the questions I told you, we were writing y is equal to some function, y is equal to, or f of x is equal to, suppose y is equal to sin x, I have given, I will ask you to find dy by dx. Y is equal to, I have given e power x log x, I will ask you to find dy by dx. So, it is given y is equal to something is given. Okay, this is called what? This is called explicitly mentioning. Explicitly I can write y is equal to something, y is equal to, y is a function of x, I can say. But here in this implicit function, you cannot separate x and y. You cannot write y is equal to something, you cannot write. There will be combination of x and y functions. Okay, in simply put together, I can say they will be combined together. Combination of x and y functions will be given. Combination of x and y functions will be given, and you have to differentiate directly. You have to differentiate directly in the form of an equation. They will give you xy plus sin y is equal to 0, they will give you. Directly you have to differentiate with respect to x. Okay, you cannot write y is equal to something. Okay, you cannot bring it to a form where you can write y is equal to something. That is, you cannot bring it to an implicit form. So, okay, you cannot bring it to an explicit form. It will be implicit form. You cannot bring it to a form where you can write explicitly y is equal to something. So, directly you have to differentiate. Okay, so implicit means you can say khichdi. That is, x and y will be mixture of each other. So, such type of functions they are called as implicit functions. So, for that how to differentiate we will learn now. Okay, how to differentiate we will be learning now. Now, if you take up this question, see here, they are given, see here, xy minus sin of xy is sin of x plus y is equal to 0. Okay, sin of x plus y is equal to 0. This is the question that is given. Okay, this is the question that is given here. Okay. Now, xy minus sin of x plus y, definitely you cannot write y is equal to something here. So, definitely it is implicit function. First, let us identify whether it is implicit or explicit. So, definitely this is implicit function. Now, see here second question, y is equal to x square minus 2, it is given y is equal to, this is what? Explicit function. These are the type of functions or questions which you have solved in the previous class. Now, see here cos of xy whole square, xy square, not xy whole square, cos of xy square plus 3y square is equal to x cube. Can you separate y and x? No. Okay, you cannot separate y and x. That is why this is also what? Implicit function. This is also what? Implicit function. So, how to differentiate them? So, directly differentiate them. Here xy is there. Okay, xy is there. Now, you are differentiating with respect to y. So, let me take xy first. Okay, let me show you. Xy is given, d by dx of xy is given, means what you will apply? You will apply UV rule, yes or no? You will apply UV rule, means you will apply differentiate x. differentiation of d by dx of x is what? 1. 1 into y plus x, you will write it as it is. D by dx of y, d by dx of y is what? So 1 into y is y itself, x into d by dx of y is nothing but, d by dx of y is nothing but 1 into, you will write 1 into, see y is there means you will write it as y dash, or you will write it as what? Dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx. Please keep this in mind. You will write it as what? Dy by dx. Now see here, what will this function become? This will become xy means it will become, if I differentiate with respect to x, this will become, this implies I can write it as what? What is it? Y plus, what is it? X into dy by dx, x into dy by dx. Now apply chain rule. So sine of something is what? Cos of something, cos of x plus y. Now whatever is inside, that also you should differentiate. Inside what you are having? X. Differentiation of x is what? 1. Differentiation of y is what? Dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to 0. This is what we have. Dy by dx is equal to 0. This is what we have. Now let me continue here. Let me continue here. Okay, let me continue here. Now multiply with dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx terms keep one side. So what I should do? This will become y plus, what is it? X into dy by dx. X into dy by dx. Now see here, minus cos of xy into cos of xy into 1. So that will become what? Minus cos of x plus y. Now plus into minus, minus cos of xy into dy by dx. So I can write it as what? Minus cos of xy, cos of x plus y. It should not dy by dx is equal to, if I bring this y this side, it will become minus y. If I bring this minus cos of x plus y this side, it will become plus cos of x plus y, plus cos of x plus y. Now what we can take common? Dy by dx I can take common in the LHS. So if I take dy by dx common in the LHS, this will become x minus cos of x plus y is equal to what? Minus y plus cos of x plus y. Now what we are having here, x minus cos of x plus y, bring it down because I want dy by dx. So dy by dx will be equal to, I can write it as minus y plus cos of x plus y divided by, what is this? X minus cos of x plus y, x minus cos of x plus y. This is the final answer, friends. So this is how you will integrate, not integrate, differentiate implicit functions. Differentiation of implicit function, same formula you have to apply, but you should know where to apply UV rule. You should know where to apply U by V rule. All these things. Wherever y is coming, you have to do what? You have to multiply by dy by dx. Differentiate y and write dy by dx. Multiply it with what? Dy by dx. That is one thing you should know. This is explicit. What I can write here? Simple. Dy by dx is equal to what? 2x minus 0, because differentiation of constant is what? 0. No need to write 0. Keep it as it is. Dy by dx is equal to 2x. Now look at this question, friends. Okay, look at this question. Now we will do implicit differentiation of this function. So what they have given? Okay, cos of xy square plus 3y square is equal to x cube. So let us take in the next page. So they have given what? Third one. Cos of xy square plus, what is it? Plus what is it that is given? I hope it is visible. Cos of xy square plus 3y square is equal to x cube. Plus 3y square is equal to x cube. This is what is given. I hope it is visible. Let me check. Yes. Audible? Plus 3y square. Yes, see. So this is what we are having. So first cos of something is there. Okay, chain rule. Out from outside to inside we have to. Cos of something is what? If you differentiate, so you have to differentiate with respect to x. If I want dy by dx means I have to differentiate with respect to x. Cos of something is what, friends? Minus sine of xy square. Now inside we have to differentiate. This xy square is where? See, we are having xy square inside. We have to apply what? UV rule. If I apply UV rule, what I will have? U dash v plus uv dash. U dash is what? X. Derivative of x is what? 1. Okay. So v, you will write it as it is 1y square plus u, that is x into y square is what? Derivative of y square is, it is nothing but, see, derivative of x square is what? You will write it as 2x. Similarly y square you will write it as what? You will write it as 2y. Since it is differentiating with respect to x, 2y into dy by dx you will write it. 2y into dy by dx you will be writing it. So this will become 2 times x into y into dy by dx. 2y, I am writing 2 here, 2y into dy by dx. So this is what we have. So x square how to differentiate? I have written there. So this will become product here, y square plus, what is it? 2xy into dy by dx plus what is this 3y square. 3y square means 2y into y dy by dx. So 2 into 3 is what? 6. 6y into what is it? dy by dx is equal to what we are having? X cube is 3x square. X cube is 3x square. So let us multiply this what we are having. If I multiply by y square, this will become what? Minus y square. This implies minus y square sine of xy square minus this is what? Minus minus what we are having? Minus 2xy into sine of xy square into dy by dx plus 6y into dy by dx is equal to 3x square we are having. Okay. Now wherever possible, let us take dy by dx. Okay. So we are having here minus y square sine of x y square. Here dy by dx term is not there. Keep only the dy by dx term in the LHS. Remaining terms send to the RHS. So I will send this to RHS. So I will have what? I will have here I will take. So here I will be having 2 times xy minus 2 times xy sine of x y square into dy by dx plus 6y into dy by dx is equal to what we are having? 3x square. This minus y square sine of xy square I will send it to RHS. So this will become what, friends? This will become plus y square into minus will become plus y square into sine of xy square. Now take dy by dx common here. Take dy by dx common here. What we will have? If you observe, dy by dx if I take common, this implies and this implies dy by dx if I take common, I will have minus 2xy sine of xy square, okay, plus 6y is equal to I am having 3x square plus y square sine of xy square. Okay. Now this one I will send it down. So this if I send it down, I will have dy by dx is equal to what I am having? 3x square plus y square into sine of xy whole square, not whole square, sine of xy square divided by what is this? This if I bring it down, this will become minus 2xy. You can remove the bracket. Minus 2xy sine of xy square plus 6y. Okay, this is the final answer, friends. This is the final answer to this question. Like this you can do implicit differentiation. It is simple, but you should have patience while applying the formula. You should be careful. That's it. Okay, this is how you learn differentiation. This is what? Implicit differentiation. This is a question based on implicit differentiation. Let us proceed further. Let us see some more questions. So here they are given, find dy by dx if y plus sin y is equal to cos x. Y plus sin y is equal to cos x. What they have given? Y plus sin y is equal to cos x, or let us use some other color, it has to be more visible. Y plus sin y is equal to what? Cos x. Y plus sin y is equal to what? Cos x. Okay. I hope it is visible. Let me just check. Okay, yes, y plus sin y is equal to cos x. Let us differentiate with respect to x. So this will become what? Y with respect to x means it will become dy by dx. Derivative of sin y is what? Cos y. But derivative of y is what? dy by dx. Derivative of cos x is what? Minus sin x. This is what we will have. Now take dy by dx common. What will be having? Dy by dx, if I take common, I will be having 1 plus cos y is equal to what I am having? Minus sin x. Okay. Dy by dx will be equal to what? Will be equal to minus sin x by 1 plus cos y. So this is the final answer. This is the final answer. Clear? This is the final answer to this question. So this is how we will do implicit differentiation. So let us see some more questions. So here they are given, find dy by dx if x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81. So see here x cube. So let us differentiate this. X cube means it will become 3x square. X square y means you have to apply what? Product rule. So I will differentiate x square plus this will become 2x into y plus x square into derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. Dy by dx. Okay, plus here again I should xy square is there, again I should apply what? Product rule. Derivative of x is what? 1. 1 into what is this? Y square plus x into derivative of y square is what? 2y into dy by dx. 2y into dy by dx plus what I am having? Y cube means 3y square into dy by dx. this will become what 3y square into dy by dx, that is equal to 0, that is equal to 0. Okay. Now take all the terms which are not having dy by dx to the RHS. So what I will have, x square dy by dx plus what is this 2xy dy by dx plus 3y square dy by dx is equal to, if I write, okay. So all the other terms apart from dy by dx, what are the terms that we have? This one, and what about this one? Y square is there. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it we are having. These terms take it to the RHS. So this will become what? Minus 3x square minus 2xy minus y square minus y square. Now next step is what? Take dy by dx common here. If I take dy by dx common here, what I am having? Dy by dx, if I take common, I am having x square plus 2xy plus 3y square is equal to what I am having? Minus 3x square minus 2xy minus y square, okay, divided by, okay, next step will come divided by, next step will have that. See, actually you don't have to do these many steps. There is one method called partial differentiation. Using partial differentiation, when the function is given implicit function, you can find dy by dx very easily in one step. But I don't want to teach that now, because that shortcut you will not understand now, because still you should understand differentiation even more better, then you can understand what partial differentiation. Implicit functions, for this shortcut is what? So if you want shortcut, the shortcut is what is it? Shortcut is partial differentiation. Del y by del x we will do. Del x by del y we will do actually. Del x by del y. That is partial differentiation, which will be learning in the, when we go to the core concepts. I will be teaching you partial differentiation. Not now. Okay. First learn what is actual complete differentiation. Then go for partial. Okay. So see, this will become what? This implies, I can write here. This implies dy by dx will be equal to whatever is in the this thing. Let me take minus outside. This will become what? Minus 3x square plus 2xy plus y square, okay, plus y square divided by whatever is here. Let me bring it to RHS, x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. This is the answer. They will give like this. They will ask dy by dx at some point. That also just put the value of x and y, whatever values they will give. Okay, clear? This is about implicit differentiation. So let us solve one more question on implicit differentiation. Why I am doing so many questions on implicit differentiation? Because this is a very important concept. Okay, questions will come mainly from here. So next thing is what? If x square plus 2xy plus y cube is equal to 4, they are asking find dy by dx. Find dy by dx they are asking. So differentiate with respect to x. I will have what? 2x. Okay, this will be what? I have to apply UV rule. So this will become derivative of x is what? 1. So 2 into y plus this will become what? 2x into derivative of y is what? Dy by dx plus y cube is what? 3y square into dy by dx, that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. Next we are having what? We are having, take all the terms which are not having dy by dx to the RHS. So this will become what? 2x into dy by dx plus 3y square into dy by dx is equal to, I will be having minus 2x minus 2y. Okay, minus 2x minus 2y. Now let us take dy by dx common. Dy by dx, if I take common, this will become 2x plus 3y square is equal to, let me take minus 2 outside, minus 2, it will become x plus y, minus 2 times x plus y. Okay. Now what I will do, this one I will bring it to the down, that is below I will bring it. So dy by dx will be equal to what? Will be equal to, dy by dx will be equal to minus 2 times x plus y divided by what is this? 2x plus 3y square. 2x plus 3y square. Okay. This is the final answer. This is about implicit differentiation. This is about implicit differentiation. Clear? Now let us go to parametric differentiation. Okay, parametric differentiation. The word itself says, okay, parametric, that is a parameter. Okay, parameter, that is x and y. Y is given in terms of some parameter, some another parameter. Function y is given in terms of some other parameter. X is also given in some other parameter. That is same parameter. This and this are same parameter. Okay, how do you differentiate? That means x is given in terms of some parameter, y is given in some terms of some parameter. This p and p are nothing but the same. We have some common friend. We have some common friend. That is x and y have some common friend. That common friend we call it as what? A parameter. We call it as what? A parameter. So that is, suppose if we say function y is given in terms of t and x is also given in terms of t. If you want to do dy by dx, if you want dy by dx, okay, what you will do? First you will do what? Differentiate with respect to t. You will find what? Dy by dt divided by dx by dt. What will happen? Dt cancel, you will have dy by dx. That is the meaning of parametric differentiation. Some x and y separately given as function of single variable t called a parameter. Example, x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t. Then dy by dx is what? Dy by dt, that is what I wrote, is equal to dx by dt. Or you can also write it as f dash t by g dash t. Okay, that is f dash t by g dash t. Okay, this double differentiation, don't worry now. I'll tell you later. Okay, I'll tell you later. Now let us proceed when it comes to parametric differentiation. How to do this? So they were given y is equal to sin t. Some example, x is equal to t square. So if they ask you to find dy by dx, what you will do? First you will find what? Y is given. So first you will find dy by dt. Then you will find dx by dt. Okay, if you want dy by dx, what you will do is, so dy by dx, dy by dt is what? Sin t is cos t. Dx by dt, t square is what? 2t. So this is 1, this is 2. So what you will do? You will divide 1 by 2. That is nothing but what? That is nothing but dy by dt divided by dx by dt. That is dt cancels, you will by dy by dx. So dy by dx will be equal to what? Dy by dt is what? Cos t divided by what we are having? 2t. So this will be the answer, friend. This will be the answer. So dy by dx value is what? Cos t by 2t. Cos t by 2t. Clear? Let us see some more examples. They were given, if x is equal to t square plus 1, y is equal to 280, then dy by dt at t is equal to a is what? At some point they are asking. First find out dy by dt. Okay, actually we have to find not dy by dt, this should be dy by dx. Okay, this should be dy by dx. Dy by dx at t is equal to a is what they are asking. At t is equal to a is what they are asking. First they were given, okay, y is equal to 280 and they were given what? X is equal to t square plus 1. First dy by dx if I want, means first I should find dy by dt, then I should find what? Dx by dt, then I can find out what? Dy by dx. Dy by dx is nothing but equal to what, friends? This by this, dy by dt by dx by dt, that is dy by dt by dx by dt. This is what we are having. Okay, dx by dt. Now dy by dt if I talk about, see here what we are having. Dy by dt if you want, see here we are having what? 280. Derivative of 280 is what? It is 2a only, because derivative of 2 is 280, or derivative of t is what? 1. T is what? 1. Dx by dt, this will become what? 2t plus 1. Plus 1 is what? That is constant. Constant, it will become, derivative of constant is 0, so you will have 2t. Okay. Now what we are having? We need dy by dt and dx by dt. That is dy by dt is what? Because we want dy by dx. That means 1 divided by 2. Okay, 1 divided by this equation 1 divided by equation 2. That is nothing but what? 2a. What is that we are having? 2a by 2t. So what will happen? 2 cancel. I will have what? A by t. Now they are asking dy by dx at t is equal to a. That means they are asking dy by dx at, they are asking at t is equal to a. That will become equal to what? A by t value, what you should put? T is equal to a. So this will become what? A by a. That will become what? A by a cancels. I will have 1 as the answer. So the answer is what? Option D is the right answer. Option D 1 is the right answer, friends. Option D 1 is the right answer. Clear, friends? Let us proceed. This JEE mains question, we will do it later. Now that is about parametric differentiation. Now let us see something called logarithmic differentiation. When a function is a logarithmic function, so how to differentiate? When a base and power both are the functions of x, then the function is of the form f of x to the power of g of x. See, if they were given function is of the form f of x to the power of g of x, then how to differentiate? If they were given y is equal to f of x to the power of g of x, or they were given y is equal to sin x to the power of sin x, or they are given sin x to the power of cos x, or y is equal to sin x to the power of log x, or y is equal to x to the power of sin x, something like this, anything they are given like this. So to the power of something, then we will use what? Logarithmic differentiation. So what we will do, we will take log on both sides. Y is equal to f of x to the power of g of x, means you take log on both sides. So log y is equal to g of x into log of f of x, it will become. Now differentiate with respect to y, that is 1 by y into dy by dx it will become, because derivative log is what? 1 by y. Then derivatives, we have to apply what? Here you have to apply the chain rule, d by dx of g of x into log of f of x. So f of x to the power of g of x, d by dx of g of x into log of f of x you will do. Okay, what is this? I will explain. I will explain now with some examples. So they have given y is equal to 2x into x power cos x dy by dx. You don't have to by heart this formula. I will tell you how to do it directly. Now see here how to do it. Now see here, y is given as 2x into x power cos x. So function to the power of function is there. So how to differentiate? So we will apply what? We will apply log on both sides. We will apply log on both sides. So here 2x is one function, x power cos x is one function. So we will apply log on both sides. So log y is equal to what? Log of, we are having what? 2x into what is this? X power cos x. Now see here, this function is of the form log of ab. Log of ab is what? Log a plus log b. So I can write this as what? Log y is equal to, okay, still I have not differentiated, I am still simplifying it, log 2x plus log of x power cos x. Now I can write this as what? Simplify, I can write it as what? Log y is equal to log of 2x, okay, log of 2x plus log of a to the power of m is what? M times log a. So cos x will come down here, cos x into log x. Now differentiate with respect to x. So this will become out log of y. Log of y is 1 by y, but derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. Log of 2x. So log of something is what? 1 by 2x. Okay, but derivative of 2x is what? It is 2. Derivative of 2x is what? It is 2, because chain rule, 2 cancels, I can write it like this, plus, okay, plus what we are having? Cos x log x. Cos x log x, these of the form uv. So we have to apply which rule? The product rule we got to apply. If you apply the product rule, this will become what? Derivative of cos x into log x. So this will become what? U dash v plus uv dash. U dash is what here? Cos x minus cos x into what we will write? Minus cos x into log x plus cos x you will write as it is. Derivative of log x is what? 1 by x. It is 1 by x. Okay, it is 1 by x. This is what we have. Now this 1 by y, I will take it to RHS. If I take it to RHS, it will become what? Y times. So we will have dy by dx. We will have dy by dx is equal to y into, within the bracket, what I can write? 1 by x. Okay, minus cos x into log x. Plus what is that we are having? Plus cos x by x. This is what we are having. So this is the final answer, but you can still put the value for y. Y is what we got? Y is nothing but 2x into x power cos x. Put the value of y here, because y is the whatever is that is given in the question itself. Put that value, dy by dx will be equal to y is what? 2x into x power cos x into what is it? 1 by x minus cos x log x plus cos x by x. This is what we have. Friends. Clear? This is what we have. Okay, this is the way we can solve this question. This is the question based on logarithmic differentiation. Okay, when the function is over another function. Okay, when the function is given as a power of another function. Okay, f of x to the power of g of x. Let us see some more questions of this. So they have given y is equal to x plus 1 into 7x cube plus 4x by 2x plus 5x square into to the power of 1 by 2 dy by dx is equal to what? So let us apply log on both sides. So this is of what? Log of ab by what is this? C is given. So what I can write it? C log y is equal to, I can apply log here, log of what is this? It is becoming x plus 1 into 7x cube plus 4x divided by what I am having? 2x plus 5x square to the power of 1 by 2. This is what I am having. So see here, this is of the form log of ab by c. Log of ab is what? Log a plus log b. This is what? Log of a by b is what? Log of ab by b, ab by c is what? That is minus log c. This is what we are having. Okay, this is what we are having. I am putting that here. So log y will be equal to, still I am not differentiating it, I am writing it as what, log of x plus 1, okay, plus log of what if I are having 7x cube plus 4x minus what is this, log of 2x plus 5x square, 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2 log of x to the power of m will come down. So this will become what, 1 by 2 into log of, I am writing directly 2x plus 5x square. This 1 by 2 has come down, that is if I am having log of a to the power of m, I can write it as what, m times log a. Okay, log a, here log a is what, this is the log a, and m is what, 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 I brought it down here, 1 by 2 I brought it down here. Hello Vartika, hi Vartika, I hope you are following the classes. Any doubt you have, you can contact us. Next step, see here. So we got it in terms of log. Now let us differentiate with respect to y. So log y, differentiation is what, 1 by y. The derivative of y is what, dy by dx is equal to, log of something is what, 1 by x plus 1, and the derivative of x plus 1 is what, 1, because derivative of x plus 1 is, derivative of x is 1, derivative of 1 is 0, I will just write 1, okay, plus derivative of log of this is what, 1 by 7x cube plus 4x, but whatever is inside that also should differentiate. Derivative of 7x cube is what, this will become 3 7s are 21 x square plus 4, this is what we have, minus 1 by 2 into log of something is what, 1 by 2x plus 5x square, okay, 1 by 2x, this is 1 by 2 into 2x plus 5x square, okay, into derivative of whatever is inside, chain rule I am applying. So this will become what, if I apply this one, 2x will become 2 plus 5x square will become 10x, okay, 10x, this is what we have. Okay, what I can do here, 2 I can take common, 2 I can take common here, 2 if I take common I will have what, 2 if I take common I will have 2 into, okay, 1 plus 10x, 10x will become what, 5x, 2 I can cancel, okay, this is what I will have, okay, this is what I will have. I will send this y that side, I will send this y that side to the RHS. If I send this y to the RHS, so dy by dx is equal to, y is what, y is nothing but what, this is the same thing as the y. So I can write this as what, y, instead of writing y I can write whatever the value of y is here, x plus 1 into what is it, 7x cube plus 4x divided by 2x plus 5x square to the power of 1 by 2. Okay. So this entire thing within this, whatever we have written through the RHS, entire thing under one bracket, one single bracket, I will have 1 by x plus 1 plus what is this, 2x square, 21x square, this is 21x square plus 4 by 7x cube plus 4x, okay, minus 2 cancels, I will be having what, 1 plus 5x divided by 2x plus 5x square, that is all. Okay, that is all is the answer. Simplified it, this is the way you keep it till here, that is it. Okay, this is the final answer, friends, this is the final answer. Next question is what, y is equal to x power x, find dy by dx, y is equal to x power x, find dy by dx. So let us take up this question. Okay, the question that is given is y is equal to x power x, find dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to what? So they are given y is equal to x power x. So what we can do, apply log on both sides. So this will become what, log y is equal to log of x power x. This x power x, x will come down, so this will become what, log y is equal to x times log x. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x, this will become what, log of something is what, 1 by y, derivative of y is what, dy by dx. Okay, derivative, this is what, we have to apply chain rule, that is uv rule, that is u dash v plus uv dash. U dash is what here, x, derivative of x is what, 1. Okay, u is what here, x, u dash is 1 into log x plus x into derivative of log x is what, 1 by x, x cancels. So we will have what, dy by dx is equal to, we will be having y times log x plus 1. Okay, so that will become what, dy by dx will be equal to what, y is nothing but what, friends, x power x into what is that we have, 1 plus log x into 1 plus log x. This is the final answer, friend, this is the final answer. This is how we can solve this question. Clear? This is the way to solve this question. Exponential or this is logarithmic, you will apply what? Log on both sides. Function over function is given means you will apply log on both sides, easily you can solve. Easily you can solve. Suppose they give, see here, if y is equal to x power x power x power up to infinity, if they give, what to do? So you will take what? Y is equal to x power x power x power x power up to infinity, if they give, what you will write it? Y is equal to, you will write it as, let y is equal to, you will write it as x power y, where y is, x is going on like this. So you will apply log on both sides. For this we have a shortcut also. Okay, we have a shortcut also. I'll not talk about the shortcut now. Let us learn the actual method, because you should, your basic should be strong. So log of apply, this will become what? Y times log x, y times log x. Let us differentiate on both sides with respect to x. This will become what? 1 by y into dy by dx. This I should apply what? UV rule. This will become dy by dx into log x plus y into derivative of log x is what? 1 by x. Log x is what? 1 by x. This is what we have. Now let us bring all dy by dx terms to the one side. Okay, let us bring all dy by dx terms to the one side. What we will have? Dy by dx term, if you bring to one side, okay, we will be having we will be having 1 by y, okay, minus log x, 1 by y minus log x into dy by dx. This is what we will have. I have taken dy by dx common directly. Is equal to what? This is y by x. This is y by x. Okay. Now what we can do? 1 minus log x. So I can take what? LCM I can take. This will become what? This will become 1 minus y log x, 1 minus y log x by y, okay, by y into dy by dx, into dy by dx is equal to what? Y by x, is equal to y by x. I want the value of what? Y by dy by dx. If I want dy by dx, this y I will send it that side. So this will become what? This will become dy by dx is equal to y, if I send it that side, this will become y square, okay, by 1 minus y into log x, 1 minus y into log x. What is that we are having? Y square. This is what we are having. X is also there. Okay, y square is there and x is also there. Y square by 1 minus y into log x by x. This is what we are having. This is the final answer, friend. This is the final answer to this question. This is the final answer to this question. Clear? Let us proceed now. Hi Nikita Vijay. Hello. I hope you are watching the classes. Please watch the previous classes also. So this is about what? Logarithmic differentiation. Now let us study higher order derivative. Till now whatever we studied, they are what? Single order derivative. That is the first order derivative. First order derivative means what? See, higher order means what we studied is first order derivative. That is, if they give y is equal to, if they give, let us write y is equal to, let us write, if they give sin x, okay, we will write what? First time if you differentiate, what you will get? Dy by dx, or let us take, instead of that, let us take something like this, something like, let us like y is equal to, they have given something like 4x power 4 is given, 4x power 4 is given. So dy by dx will become what? 4 4 is 16, 16x cube. Now if I differentiate it again, that is what? D by dx of this one. If I differentiate it again, we call it as what? We write it as, if I differentiate it again, it is not dy by dx whole square, it is not dy by dx whole square, it is not like that. So if I differentiate it again, second order derivative, we call it as what? D square y by dx square. Third order derivative, we call it as what? D cube y by dx cube, Similarly it goes on. So nth order derivative, we call it as what? Nth order, we write it as what? Nth order, we write it as dny by dxn. Okay, it is also called as, this is f dash of x, this is called as f double dash of x, okay, or it is also called as y dash, or it is also called as y double dash, or this is also called as f triple dash of x, y triple dash. This is also called as f power n x, this is also called as y power n, okay, yn, okay, that is what we write it. Okay, so this will become what? 16x cube. If I differentiate again, this will become 3 into 16, that is 48x square. If I differentiate again, it will become what? Third order derivative will become what? 2 into 48 is what? 96x. Fourth order derivative will become what? Fourth order, that is y. This will become what? 96, because derivative of x is 1. Fifth order derivative, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this will become what? 0, because derivative of constant is what? 0. Okay, this is called higher order derivative. This is called higher order derivative, friends. These are called higher order derivatives. Now let us see some questions on higher order derivatives. If they are given q is equal to, that is y is equal to sin t is given, x is equal to t cube is given. Definitely this is what? Parametric differentiation. So what you will do? First you will do what? First you will find out dy by dx. First you will find what? Dy by dx. So what you will do for that? First you will find dy by dt. Then you will find what? Dx by dt. Dx by dt. For dy by dx, what you will do? Dy by dt divided by dx by dt, you will be doing it. Dx by dt, you will be doing it. Yes or no? This is what you will be doing it. Okay. Now dy by dx, dy by dt is what? Dy by dt is, so derivative of sin t is what? Cos t. Derivative of dx by dt is what? 3t square. Now dy by dx, this will become what? Cos t by 3t square. Cos t by 3t square. Now I want d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square, it is not like you will differentiate this again. That is d square y by dx square, it is not equal to d square y by, see, if I want d square y by dx square, one thing you have to understand, the galti alert. So the wrong thing that you will do is, if they ask d square y by dx square, okay, you will write it as what? Okay, f dash t by f double dash of t, or you will write it as what? F double dash of f dash t. This is, suppose I write it as, this is f of t. Okay, this is f of t is given. This is given as f of t. This is given as g of t. Okay, you will write it as what? You will write it as f double dash of t by g double dash of t, or you will write it as what? D square y by dt square by d square x by dt square, you will write it, which is absolutely wrong. Which is absolutely wrong. It is not equal to this. This is not equal to this. This is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. But what is the way? What is the way forward? D square y by dx square means you will write what? You will write what? You will write d by dx of, okay, you will write what? You will write what? You will write, you will just find out, you will just find out d square y by dx square, okay, d square y by dx square is nothing but equal to, you will differentiate, you will write, you will do d by dx of, you will do d by dx of dy by dx. You will do d by dx of dy by dx. What you will do? You will divide this by, you will divide this by dx by dt. You will divide this function by dx by dt. Okay. So first what you will do? Whatever you got, what is that you got? Cos t 3t square. You will differentiate this again. So if I differentiate this again, what I will get? Cos t, derivative of cos t is what? Okay. So if I have to differentiate this again, definitely I should apply what? I should apply cos t by 3t square. Definitely I should apply u by v rule. I should apply what? U by v rule. Okay, I should apply what? U by v rule. This will give us what? This will give us, okay, this will be equal to what? V square into what is it? V into u dash minus u into v dash. So that will become equal to what? That will become, this I should write what? Divided by dx by dt. I should write it. I should keep writing it. Now see here, this will become what? V into u dash. V is what here? 3t square. So 3t square whole square. 3t square whole square. And 3t square into u dash is what? Derivative of cos t is minus sin t, minus cos t into derivative of t square is what? Derivative of 3t square. 3t square is there, no? Derivative of 3t square is what? Derivative of 3t square is 60. 60 it will become. This is what we have. This will become 60. Now what we should do is, this one we have to divide by dx by dt. Dx by dt what we got? 3t square. Dx by dt what we got? 3t square. Okay. Now what will this function become? 3t square minus sin t, that will become what? Minus 3t square into sin t minus 60 into cos t divided by what we are having? 3t square. So 3t square, this will go up. This 3t square will go up. This 3t square will go up. So 3t square whole square into what we are having? 3t square. So what will happen? 3t square, this will cancel, we will be having only one, this will cancel, we will be having only one 3t square. So what we can do here? What we can do? Minus 3t square into sin t. What we can do? 3t square into sin t minus 60 cos t divided by what is this we are having? 3t square. Whole square will not be there because this will be, but what? One of the values will be dividing. That is a by a square is what? It will become 1 by a. Same thing it became here. So this is the value of d square y by dx square. So further you can take 3 outside, all these things, simplification, you know how to do. That can be done. That is not a problem. But here you should know how to do double differentiation when it comes to what is that? Parametric functions. When it comes to parametric functions, okay, double differentiation, let me write the formula. Dy by dx or d square y by dx square is equal to d by dx of dy by dx, that is you will differentiate this again, divided by dx by dt, divided by dx by dt. Highly important result, you should know this, you should know this. Okay, this is the formula you will be using for what? For parametric differentiation. Double differentiation if you are doing for a parametric function, this is the result you should follow, this is the result you must be following. Clear friends, this is the result you must be following. Let us proceed to the next question. They were given if y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, then d square y by dx square is equal to what? Okay, so let us do this. So y is given, so dy by dx is what? First let us find out first order derivative. Dy by dx is what? So 5 into cos x. Cos x is what? Minus sin x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x, minus derivative of sin x is what? Cos x minus 3 cos x. Now we should differentiate this again. D square y by dx square will become what? Derivative of sin x is what? Minus 5 into derivative of sin x is what? Cos x. Okay, derivative of cos x is what? Sin x, minus sin x, plus 3, what we are having? Plus 3 sin x. Okay, now if I take minus outside, this will become what? This will become, if I take minus outside, this will become what? If I take minus outside, this will become 5 cos x plus 5 cos x. If I take minus outside, 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, d square y by dx square is equal to minus of 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. 5 cos x minus 3 sin x is what? That is nothing but y. So I can put the value as what here? It is nothing but equal to minus 5. So d square y by dx square is nothing but equal to minus 5. This is the answer friends, this is the answer. This is how you can solve this question. This is a simple question, this is how you can solve this question. Now let us proceed. They were given if y is equal to x plus tan cube x, y is equal to x plus tan cube x, what is d square y by dx square? So let us take this up. So they were given y is equal to x plus tan cube x. So dy by dx is what? First order derivative, dy by dx. So derivative of x is what? 1 plus tan cube x means you should write what? Power. Power is most powerful, I told you. So this will become what? 3 tan square x. Apply chain rule, 3 tan square f. Tan square x. Derivative of tan x is what? Derivative of tan x is what? 3 tan square f. Derivative of tan x is what? Secant square x. This is what? Derivative of tan x is secant square x. So this is what we got, dy by dx. 3 tan square x. Derivative of tan x is what? Secant square x. Derivative of x is 1. So no need to write 1. Keep it as it is. Now what about d square y by dx square? That is double order derivative. Derivative of 1 is, that is nothing but constant, it is 0. So you can ignore that. So derivative, I have to focus only on this. So derivative of 1 is 0. So 3 tan square x secant square x I am having. 3 tan square x secant square x I am having. So here I am having two functions uv. So I should apply what? Uv rule. So this will become what? U dash v plus uv dash. So what I can do? 3 I can take outside. So this will become what? Tan square x. Okay. Derivative of tan square x, it will become what? 2 tan x. 2 tan x. Derivative of tan x is what? Derivative of tan x is secant square x. And I am having secant square x, keep it as it is. Secant square x, that is v, keep it as it is. Plus what we are having? Plus we are having tan square x. Now derivative of secant square x I should find out. Secant square x, it will become 2 secant x into derivative of secant x is what? Secant x tan x. Secant x tan x. It appears big, but actually it is very simple solution. See here, this will become what? Equal to d square y by dx square. Now I am simplifying it. So 3 into what is this we are having? Keep 3 outside itself. So this will become 2 times tan x into secant square x into secant square x. This will become secant power 4x. Secant power 4x. Okay. Now plus 2 into we are having tan square x. Or I can take 2 outside. Further I can simplify. I can take these 2 outside. So this will become what? Tan square x. 2 if I take outside, 3 into 2, this will become 6. This will become 6. Tan x into secant power 4x. I am having what here? Here I am having tan square x into what is the secant into secant is what? Secant square x. But here I am having one more tan square x into tan x. This will become tan cube x. This will become tan cube x. So this is the final answer, friends. This is how you can find out double order derivative. That is what is this? Second order derivative of the given function. Second order derivative of the given function. This is how you can find out. So having learnt the basics of differentiation, methods of differentiation, that is chain rule, okay, product rule, quotient rule, u by v rule, and we learnt what? Implicit differentiation, logarithmic differentiation, parametric differentiation, and then we further we learned higher order derivative, that is f of x is given, f dash of x we know, f double dash of x, that is d square y by dx square, okay, d cube y by dx cube, all these things we learn. And also very importantly, for parametric differentiation, d square y by dx square is nothing but equal to d by dx of dy by dx divided by dx by dt. All these results we learned. Now let us see one question. Okay, just by the knowledge of a bridge course, let us see a question from JEE Mains 2023. Let us try to solve this question. Okay, so this is a question from JEE Mains 2023. They were given, this is y of x. If y of x is equal to x power x, where x is positive, then y double dash of 2 minus 2 times y dash of 2 is equal to what? Y double dash means you should differentiate twice, y dash means you should differentiate once. So let us differentiate once. That is y dash of x is equal to what? You have to apply what here? Logarithmic differentiation. Yes or no? You have to apply logarithmic differentiation. So let us apply logarithmic differentiation. So let us apply log on both sides. This will become log y. I will tell the shortcut also for logarithmic. As of now, learn the conventional way. X into log x. X into log x. So we will be having what? 1 by y into what is this? Y dash into what is this? If you apply UV rule, this will become log x plus x into 1 by x. This is what we will be having. Okay. So y dash is equal to what we are having? Y dash is equal to y into x cancel 1 plus log x. This is what we have, 1 plus log x. So y dash is equal to, y is what? X power x into 1 plus log x. This is what we have. So x power x into 1 plus log x. X power x into 1 plus log x. This is what we have. Okay. X power x differentiation is what? So x power x differentiation is here. This is what we are having. Y into 1 plus log x. 1 into what is this? Y into 1 plus log x. That is x power x into 1 plus log x. Now y double dash. Y double dash, if I want to find out, definitely I should apply what? UV rule. Okay, UV rule. So this is u, this is v. So we should do what? U dash v plus uv dash. Okay, u dash is what here? U dash is x power x. For this I have to do the differentiation. X power x differentiation is what? X power x differentiation is x power x into 1 plus log x. So I will write it as what? X power x into 1 plus log x. So differentiation of this is what? Differentiation of this is x power x differentiation is what? X power x into 1 plus log x. Further I am having what? Into 1 plus log x, because I am writing v as it is, that is nothing but 1 plus log x only. So this will become what? 1 plus log x whole square plus x power x, I should keep it as it is, into differentiation of this 1 plus log x. Differentiation of 1 is what? 0. Differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x. This is what I will be having. This is what I will be having. Now we got this, just put the values. Now they are asking what? Y double dash of 2, y dash of 2. First let us find out y dash of 2. Y dash of 2 is what? This will become y dash of 2. So this will become 2 power 2 into 1 plus log 2 into 1 plus log 2 to the base c. Okay. Y double dash of 2. Y double dash of 2 is nothing but equal to 2 power 2 into 1 plus log 2 whole square plus what we are having? 2 power 2 by 2. 2 power 2 by 2. So 2 will go up, means 2 power 2, 2 minus 1, that will become 2 itself, plus 2. This will become plus 2. This will become plus 2. Now what the question that they are saying is, they are asking the value of this y dash of 2. Y dash of 2 is what? This is what we have, y dash of 2. Let us take this of what? Y double dash of 2 minus 2 times y dash of 2. Let us substitute the values. Y dash of 2 is what? We are having this 2 power 2 into what is it? 1 plus log 2 whole square plus 2 minus 2 times y dash of 2. 2 times y dash of 2 means this will become what? This will become 2 into 2 square, that is nothing but what? 2 cube. 2 cube into 1 plus log 2 into 1 plus log 2. Now what we can take common? Definitely I can take common. 2 power 2 into 1 plus log 2 I can take common. 2 power 2 into 1 plus log 2 I can take common here. Okay. 2 power 2 into 1 plus log 2. So 2 power 2 into 1 plus log 2 if I take common, what is that I am having inside? I will be left with 1 plus log 2. 1 plus log 2 minus what is that I am having? Minus 2. This is what I will be having, minus 2. Now 1 plus log 2 minus 2 is nothing but equal to what? We will be having what is that? We will be having 2 square into 1 plus log 2 into this will become what? What is this we are having? Log 2 plus 1, or I can write this as this will become log 2 minus 1. Okay, log 2 plus 1 into log 2 minus 1. So 2 square into log 2 plus 1 into log 2 minus 1. that is a plus b into a minus b, that is nothing but equal to what, a square minus b square. So this I can write it as what, 2 square into log 2 square minus 1. So this will become 2 square into log 2 square minus 1 square. Okay, log 2 square is nothing but equal to what, friends? Log 2 square is nothing but equal to what? So 2 square into log 2 square minus 1. So we can write it as what, 2 square into log 2 square. Okay, 2 square into log 2 square. Log 2 square means this 2 will come outside. I can add this as what? I can multiply. 2 square is what? Nothing but 4. Okay, 4 into what is this? 2 log 2 minus 1. So 4 if I multiply, I will have what? 4 into 2 is 8 log 2. 8 log 2 minus 4. 8 log 2 minus 4. So 8 log 2 minus 4 should be the answer. Okay, 8 log 2 minus 4. Or further, can I take any option here? 8 log 2 minus 2. Just wait. 2 square is there, 2 square is 4, 8 log 2 minus 2 minus 4. Actually this option, it should be minus 4. It should be minus 4. Okay, option here it is mistake, there is a mistake, it should be minus 4. Okay, 8 log 2 minus 4, this is correct. So the answer is option A. The answer is option A. This is a simple way. Okay, in this simple way we can solve this question. So this question, it's not about solving JEE mains question, it's about you have to understand how we will do double order derivative and how we will substitute the values. Since 2 is given, wherever x is there, put 2. Okay, since 2 is given, wherever x is there, just put 2. Okay, wherever x is there, just put 2. Okay, now one more thing we missed out here. Okay, just have a look at it. Here we missed out 1 plus log 2 whole square plus 2 is there, right? Plus 2 is there. This 2 we missed out. This 2 we missed out. Yes, this 2 we missed out. So let us do this. See here. We are having here 2 square into 1 plus log 2. 1 plus log 2 whole square. Okay, 2 square is outside. 2 square is outside, right? Let us have a look at it. X plus log x. Okay, 2 power 2. Okay, this 2 is there. 1 plus log 2 whole square, and what we are having, this 2 is also there. This 2 is also there. Yes, no, this 2 is also there. So you cannot take 2 square outside. You can take only 2 outside. Here you can take only 2 outside. So let us simplify this further. Here you can take only 2 outside. Okay, here you can take only 2 outside. Okay, let us do this again. We forgot this 2. Okay, you can take only 2 outside. So I can take this as what? This will become 2 into 1 plus log x or 1 plus log 2. This will become what? This will become within the bracket 1 plus log 2 1 plus log 2 plus 2 minus 2. If I take outside, this will become 2 times log 2. 2 times 2 log 2. This will become 2 plus 2. This will become 4. This will become 4. 2 if I am taking it outside. 2 if I am taking it outside, this will become 2 square is there. Okay, this will become 2 if I take outside. Observe carefully. Or let me multiply this. Okay, 1 plus log 2 only, let me take only 1 plus log 2, or 2 square is there. Okay, this 2 square is there, 2 is there. Okay. 2 square and this 2 is there. Okay. 2 square if I multiply with this 2 square. Okay. Okay, 2 square only I can take outside. 2 square into 1 plus log 2. And this will become what? 1 plus, this will become this will become 1 plus 2 minus, what is this? Minus, what is this we are having? Minus 1 plus 2 into 2 into what we are having? Minus 2 we will be having. Okay, we are having 2 into 2 minus 2. This is what we are having. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. I will have what? Okay, 4 log 2. This will become what? 4 log 2. 4 log 2. 4 log 2 plus 4. 4 log 2 plus 4. Okay, 4 log 2 plus 4. 4 log 2 plus 4. This is what we will have. So 2 square means this will become 4 log 2 plus 4. 4 log 2 plus 4. This should be plus 4 actually. Okay, this should be plus 4. So we will be having the option, second option. Second option is the right answer, friends. Second option is the right answer to this question. Right answer to this question. Let us see further some other questions. Now, I want to be able to take up this question, parametric differentiation, and do it by yourself. parametric differentiation, please take up this question and put the answer in the comment section. Okay, or let us solve this question. JEE main question they have given. Okay, they have given if x is equal to 3 tan t and y is equal to 3 secant t, then the value of d square y by dx square at t is equal to pi y square. So first let us find out what dy by dx. Dy by dx is what? Dy by dt by dx by dt. Okay, dy by dt is what, friends? Dy by dt is nothing but what? Y is what? 3 secant t. 3 secant t means dy by dt will become what? 3 secant t tan t. Derivative of tan t is secant t is what? Secant x tan x. Dx by dt is what? Dx by dt is what? It is nothing but 3 secant square t. 3 secant square t. Now dy by dx. Dy by dx is nothing but what? This divided by this. So 3 secant t. So we are having 3 secant t into tan t divided by 3 secant square t. 3 secant square t. 3 cancel, secant t cancel. I will have what? Tan t by what I will be having? Tan t by I will have secant t. Okay, I can simplify this. I can write it in terms of sin and cos. Sin t by cos t. This secant t I can write it as 1 by cos t. I will have what? Cos t cancel. I will have what? Sin t. So what I got? Dy by dx. Dy by dx I got it as what? Sin t. Dy by dx I got it as what? Sin t. Now I want d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square is nothing but equal to what? D by dx. Okay, d by dx of sin t. Okay, d by dx of sin t by dx by dt. Dx by dt. Derivative of sin t is what? Cos t. Cos t. Divided by dx by dt is what? Dx by dt, what is the value we got? Dx by dt is nothing but what? 3 secant square t. It is nothing but 3 secant square t. 3 secant square t. So 3 secant square t, if I bring it up, so d square y by dx square. If 3 secant square t, if I take it to the top, what will this become? This will become 1 by 3 cos cube t. 1 by 3 cos cube t. So if I put at t is equal to pi by 4, at t is equal to pi by 4, 1 by 3, okay, cos cube pi by 4. Okay, pi by 4 is what? Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So 1 by 3 into this will become what? 1 by 3 into 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole cube. 1 by root 2 whole cube. Root 2 into root 2 is what? 2. So this will become 1 by 3 into 2 into root 2. So I will have what? 1 by 6 root 2. 1 by 3 2 is a 6, 6 root 2. Which is nothing but what? Which is nothing but the second option, option B. So very simple question. This is how we can solve. Here you should be careful. This is the step you must be careful. This is the step you must be careful. Okay, this is the step you must be careful. Clear, friends? This is how we can solve this question. So that's all when it comes to differentiation. Tomorrow we will be starting with a very important topic, that is integration, which is the reverse process of reverse process of differentiation, which is also called as antiderivative. Thank you, friends. Take care.